Would you be interested in finding out how you can start using a revolutionary method for investing in real estate successfully? If so, you are just moments away from finding out how to do just that. But before we talk about that, I need you to realize that you're not by yourself. There are a number of people, just like you, struggling every day with learning how to successfully invest in real estate. I've even encountered this difficulty. As a professional, I found out there is a lot to research and learn before you can start investing in real estate successfully. As you can see, this genuinely is a big problem for many people. You want to invest, but a real estate project is a too expensive endeavor to take on, without the proper knowledge and experience. Let me introduce you to Done For You Real Estate. Done For You Real Estate is a little-known method designed to enable you to successfully invest in real estate, even as a total newbie. This has been proven, time and time again, by many of our customers who love what we do. Done For You Real Estate will enable you to invest in real estate in 3 easy and simple steps. Step 1, we discover first-rate homes in some of the best markets. Step 2, we rehab and arrange financing for those homes. Step 3, we locate and identify good tenants, as well as manage the property for you. With these 3 simple steps, you will be able to effectively invest in real estate successfully, right now, without any of the traditional hassles. All you need to do is call right away to get your free strategy evaluation and, if you want, take our free online self-paced course on real estate investing. But you should hurry, there are a number of people just like you, looking at this video and taking action. Click the link and start your investing career right now.